Hello, friends, welcome back to my channel Rich Life, Rich Way. Hope you all are staying safe. See the beauty of my green plants. It's November and going on, friends, and still the greenery is so up. In this video, I will be sharing with you all the winter care of Aprajita plant in the metro city Delhi. It's a beautiful plant, friends, with blue flowers. You will love to have a look. See, today it's November end and you can see my Aprajita plant is still blooming with these beautiful blue flowers. In India, Aprajita is revered as a holy flower used in puja rituals. It is also known as Trichoria ternatia and commonly known as Asian pigeon wings, butterfly pea, bluebell vine, blue pea and all. Friends, it grows as a vine or creeper, does well in moist, neutral soil. The most striking feature of this plant is the color of this plant, a vivid deep blue. You can see how beautiful it looks. It is basically grown as an ornamental plant and requires little care. Though it has many uses, like it is used in making herbal tea, it is also used in Ayurveda as a medicine for enhancing memory. Aprajita flowers are also used for fabric dyeing also. Though it's a perennial plant, but its main season is from March to October when it gives maximum blooms. So we don't have to fertilize it in the month of December and January as it's the dormancy period for this plant. In this time it sheds its leaves and slows the growth. But from February onwards, Aprajita restarts its growth. So sunlight requirements for this plant is very simple. It's a sun-loving plant. It's a flowering plant. So mostly flowering plants are very sun-loving plants and it thrives in sunlight. But in winter you must protect it from low temperatures. And watering is also very simple. It loves moist soil but not overwatering. In summer, daily watering is a must in the weather of Delhi city. But in winter, you must check the soil before watering. And about its propagation, it's very simple. It can be propagated through stem cutting and through seeds. It keeps delivering seed pods when mature can be harvested for growing new plant. And it's very simple to maintain. And I love this plant. It's adding beauty to my garden. So friends, if you like my video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.